Today, we'll walk through how to create a new client contact in the Axis Pro mobile app, step by step and quickly.
First, go to the home screen of the mobile app. At the bottom left, you'll find the Clients option. Tap it to enter the Clients section.
Next, within the Clients section, select the client to whom you want to add a new contact. Once inside the client's profile, look for the option to add a new contact, complete the required information, and save the changes. The new contact will then be directly linked to that client. Then tap Edit, enter the new contact's details such as name, email, and phone number, and save the changes. That's it. The contact will be registered and properly linked to the client within the Axis Pro mobile app. And with that, you now know how to add a new contact to a client in the Axis Pro mobile app. Keeping your client information up to date helps you communicate more effectively and manage your work in a more professional way. See you in the next tutorial.